morning! It's time to go back home.
Guys, I thought it's banana, it's cucumber pala, oh.
Asan?
He's just joking.
Ay,
Bye! Bye! Balik sa ating kwarto. Kay nilalamig po kami. It's cold outside.
It was really, really cold.
Yeah, that's
When I was going swimming, I'll go out, I'm feeling like, but the pool is so warm.
Yeah, the water is like 27 degrees. But
Yeah, but it was raining and it was cold,
Yeah.
so that's why it's really, really cold.
the weather is only 15 degrees now.
Uh,
But Aya was in the pool. She's not listening to me. I told her that it was cold, so now you feel the cold.
no, not cold outside. You said the pool was cold. You said, but we asked her. That means it's warm.
27. Okay, but are you happy that you went to the pool? That
Yeah.
your dream come true?
Yes.
That you go swimming in Finland?
5 days, I'm gonna go to Marriott and then swim again.
Hoy, we did not say that.
Yes, you did before.
No, I said we will go to the Marriott if you did not swim here. But you swim already, so no more Marriott. Okay?
But Mama, you asked already then that we're gonna sleep there. So,
No, don't be a good girl. Come here, come here. We already give you everything for you, huh? But don't worry. Hey, don't worry because I don't lagi open your. They can see you. But we are going on vacation. We're going to Philippines. So
how many days?
Oh, it's
1 month?
It's a secret. Yeah. Yeah, 1 month. After 1 month. 30 days. But, oh yeah. After here, we have a big vacation. But, hindi po namin, we cannot
But
tell,
after,
we cannot tell it yet where. Because,
only when we go there.
yes, because,
Only when we go to Deutschland or so.
yeah. But for now, hindi po muna namin masabi kung saan kami magbakasyon. This coming, This coming summer holiday, we're going on vacation, but we cannot tell it yet.
But we're going to Schneider?
No, we cannot tell it yet because it's not yet 100% sure, but we have to go
But
on
should we say?
first year of elementary.
So it will take like months.
Yeah, so we
Get the first class.
really need to have a big vacation, summer vacation. Kasi po, kapag nag-elementary na siya, we cannot go on like holiday that we cannot go on a unlimited holiday. Because sa elementary po, bawal po ito mag-absent. Pero kapag kindergarten, it's okay. 1 month, 2 months absent, walang problema as long as magsabi ka lang sa teachers. Yes. What do you
So, it will take a few months when I go to first class.
Yes. No. Like, yeah.
Months.
Yeah, 2 months.
2 months.
It's almost.
Yeah.
Yes. And are you excited?
Yes.
So, that's all for now.
So we will see you in
Tomorrow po.
we will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching and please watch more and please subscribe, like and share. Bye.
Hello, blenders! Good morning! It's time to go back home to Germany. And nag-prepare kami ngayon. Pero pa kami mga suklay. Pero yung damit namin is ready. Kakagising namin ni Arya. How was your sleep, love? She slept so well because she was swimming. She had swimming yesterday. So, ngayon, kailangan namin magmamadali dahil better na mag-breakfast naman kami dito kahit kunti lang. Kape, mainit. Para di tayo maiwanan ng ating plane. Buyag-buyag lang. Yung plane natin is 9, so dapat 8:30 andun na kami. Ay, 8:30 nasa gate. Yeah. And ang biyahe from here, how long, babe?
30 minutes
Around 30
from
minutes.
Central.
Okay. So, hindi naman. 30 minutes. Medyo malayo nga no, nung pag lang namin pagdating.
Ha?
Medyo malayo nga yun. Pagdating namin dito, di ba nag-taxi tayo? Taxi or Uber?
Uber.
Uber. Malayo nga yun. Naalala ko. Kaya nakatulog man kami. So, wala tayong naiwan. You have everything. Kaya.
Muna na ako sa baba.
Okay.
Kasi may itipas ko pa yung bag ko dun sa, sa counter.
Counter? Yeah.
Tingnan nyo yung mga may iwan dun.
Wala na naiwan dito. I-check mo din mamaya. Yeah?
Kung makakabalik pa ako dito, paano pagdating ko, diretso na kami ng ano. Hill trip.
Ay, oh. Aya, can you have this, please, for your, ano? Pati maiwan dito. Check, babe. Everything, okay. We don't have anything left. Everything is
I
good.
think one in the toilet.
Pink.
Something pink.
Something pink. Oh my god, the chips. No? So everything is here. Okay. Let's go.
Here.
What about the toilet? Ah, here. Your jacket. Okay. This one also. Don't forget. So. Now. Don't forget anything. Ayan. Wala kami nakalimutan. Sa baba. Under the bed. Oh. Okay, nothing left. So it's now time to go. Mag-breakfast muna tayo. Ayan. Breakfast muna. Yung aking lipstick, baka gabi pa to. Hanggang hindi pa siya natanggal. So God bless. God bless us. Ready na. Breakfast. Nauna na po si Mr. Cameraman dahil meron po silang excursion.
The card.
I have. And diretso na sila doon. After breakfast nila, pupunta sila, ilagay yung mga gamit sila sa bus, yung mga uuwi kasi uwian na po today. Namayang hapon after excursion niya. Uwi na rin po siya. Nauna na kami ni Arya kasi pupunta pa tayo ng Latvia. Kaya sayang naman yung opportunity. Meron kasing stopover. Kaya sabi ko, pagkakataon natin, isang lipadan, isang biyahe, 2 country na agad yung ating makikita. So, ganito po sa Europe, magkalapit-lapit lang po yung mga country dito. Magkalapit lang, kaya check mo yung face ko. Okay na naman. Kaya andyan yung mga katrabaho niya. So, tara. Wala, dyan na siya. Let's go. Go. Open na, wala pa.
Open na.
Okay, go. Tara. Mabilisan lang na breakfast. Breakfast. Ganda ng hotel.
Dalhin mo na dun. Iwanan mo pa dyan.
Ang ingay man.
Mas. Same lang din yan. Iwan mo dyan pag nawala.
Dito na tayo.
Kahit saan. Pwede dyan. Breakfast daw guys. Oh. Ayan. Kaganda naman ng view. Wala silang picture na maayos kasi laging umuulan pag lumalabas.
Babe, let's have some coffee.
I don't want to use some coffee.
Ito ba?
Yung passport nyo nandyan?
Ko na lang siya. Oh. Kailangan ko na lang siya ng ano.
Good morning. How's good morning? The face. Oh. How the Carabao? Wait, why the focus is not so clear? How the Carabao but so thin. Inday Barya.
Magbe-video po tayo habang hinintay natin yung ating kape. Kana ba? Oy, refill. Be, pakisabi mag-refill ng milk. Kana mag-refill. So, hindi ko masyadong napakita sa inyo yung breakfast dito. So, start tayo dito sa mga sweets nila. Mga palaman. Yeah? You want something? Oat. Meron ng prutas. Cake. Ayan. Chocolate cake. Tapos yung pudding. Honey, fresh. And fresh fruits. You want? Oh, yeah. Mga oats na din. Smoothies. Mga drinks. We have different kinds of drink flavored water. Juices. Ito yung coffee. Nakao yung coffee. Wait lang, wala lang milk. Walang milk. And then, mala. Yeah. Christmas decoration. Ito mga salads.
It's like Christmas.
Kasi wala pa masyadong tao. Kaya,
Christmas is already over on top.
yeah, cheese,
That's so smooth.
sausage, yogurt. And then, ito naman po banda. Yung mga bread, malalaki na bread. Oh. Grabe ito.
Some big chocolate.
Super huge. Tapos different kind of butter. Meron silang egg butter, normal butter, margarine, breads. Uy, ang sarap ng kusong nila, as in very soft. Super soft kusong. And then Karelian pie. Ito mag-toast. And then dito, meron silang, they have also here pancake. And then egg, and then seasonal vegetables, and different two kinds of balls, sausage. And doon na yung iba pa, marami pa po. And wala pa masyadong tao dahil maaga tayo ang opener.
Hindi ko kumain, hindi ko kumuha ng pagkain mo, be.
Okay naman to. Ano to? Ang dami naman kasi nito. Kaya to? Sa atin.
Sa atin lahat.
Or sa'yo. You want something, Arya? Kaya nakikikuha na ako. Lamig.
Inday Barya. Kalapata. How are you, girl? What's up, girl? Kaganda naman ang D4 mo dyan, girl. Grabe. Wanna eat something? Egg. Boiled egg. Come, let's eat. Pansit. Ah, there's no pansit? I thought this one is a pansit. Something sort of. Ah, it's a pansit, na? What is it then? This one also, there's banana. Here, you want banana? What is it then?
Which one do you mean?
This green.
This is cucumber.
Ah, cucumber. Guys, I thought it's banana, it's cucumber pala, oh.
Asa?
He's just joking.
Ay. And we also have a lot of pansit.
That's
Wow.
not expensive.
So, gutom appetit, guys.
Why always gutom?
Kasi I'm gutom. Gigutom man ko, day. Gigutom ba ya ako?
Why gutom appetit?
Arya, kakao?
Why
See?
gutom appetit?
Appetit. Thank you, Lord. Gusto kay kakao?
Spicy pala to, be. Grabe.
Which one?
Good luck.
Super spicy.
Hindi naman. Good luck sa imong lubot. Sa'yo mo din. Para sa lubot mo.
Is that spicy?
Yeah.
Why did you buy then a lot of spice?
Yun ba?
I mean, why did you get?
Because I saw the colors so nice. It's a little kind of like a smoke. Sausages. So I took it. Because the last time it was the same color as the small one.
Sakay na tayo ng taxi. Going to the airport. Sayang kasi ulan.
Okay, Mahal, thank you so much.
You have a nice day.
Likewise, my friend.
Babe. So, ayan, papunta po tayo ngayon sa ating train. Yan po si Mr. Cameraman. Oh, nagdala ng ating bag. Ito po yung kanilang station dito. Cute ng color ng kanilang train. Okay. Lila. Violet. Oh. Ito yung sasakyan natin. Flig Platzen. Ayan.
Sa German, Flughafen, ba?
Yeah, dito
German
Flig
Flughafen.
Platzen.
Or
Saan tayo?
sa elevator.
Ayan, welcome! Wait, after grabe kahaba po. Taas naman. Pero maganda kayo, ma-enjoy ka kasi dahil merong palabas.
What's that, girl?
Kami lang ni Arya mag-travel. Maiwan siya dito. Our cameraman.
Left, yeah. Dito, B. Doon na sa taas, kay meron naman doon.
Mauna kami.
Oo lang ako, para makita ka. Likod lang yung lady.
Okay lang. Eh, para makita yung ano ba? Yung nasa harap namin. Mauna kami, B. Saan ba yung departure?
Doon sa taas, pataas.
Malaki din ang airport ng Helsinki, ano? Ito na yung main airport ng Finland. Pinakamalaki nila. Meron tayong check-in pa. We're going to Riga.
Yan o,
9.
400.
So, wala pang check-in. Diba? Anong araw?
Anong oras na ba? Alas 8 na. Oh.
Wala pa.
Pwede naman lang pumasok sa ano sa scanner. Okay, tsaka ka papasok pag mahaba yung pila.
Bye! Bye!
Here comes. See you later, alligator, yeah? Careful with
Bye!
mama, yeah?
So, we need to board now. Children ang priority. Ayan, we're boarding na. Pag may bata talaga ay priority.
I just gonna ride one plane or two planes.
2 planes. But we have a long... Hello.
One?
10.
Huh?
10. So, we are now here inside the plane. Number 10.
Lei Artis Simona will take care of your safety comfort during our flight. And now, may we have your attention for a safety video demonstration. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant flight.
Ayan, nasa plane na po kami. We have to travel 40 minutes to Latvia. Riga, baba tayo. Have a safe flight. Very antok. Kaya maaga tayong umalis. Maaga na yung nagising 6:30 na morning.
Dear guests, welcome to Riga, where the local time is 9:50 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. Remember to take all of your personal belongings and please take care when opening the overhead lockers. On behalf of our Baltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us.
So we're going down. Welcome to Latvia. Latvia. Welcome to Latvia, Riga. Ayan, sa airport tayo dito. At, Kamaya, we still have like 8 hours. Kasi 6 p.m. pa yung ating flight. So, sabi nila, pwede natin kumabas. Nag-inquire na ako. We are allowed to go out. Kaya, punta tayo sa exit. At, hindi na naman kailangan pa ng visa or anything. We just have to go through another security control when we come back. Punta na tayo rin kaya sayang yung ating oras at para makita na natin kung anong itsura ng Latvia. Doon na tayo kakain ng lunch or mag-coffee. So, let's go! So, ayan. Exit na tayo dito. And we go sa exit. And masakay po tayo ng bus kasi mura lang siya. Nakalagay po sa online, €1.80. So, almost €2 lang. We have to go to bus number 22. Bus number 22. It's the bus here. There. So, guys, update. Nakasakay na po tayo ngayon sa bus. At mura pala dito sa Latvia. Kasi, ang ticket nila, alam nyo, €1.80 lang ang 90 minutes. And for 24 hours, cost only €5. So, ang kinuha ko na ay 24 hours. Ayan, kasi mamaya, babalik pa tayo doon. So, instead na kuha ng ticket. So, kinuha ko na ng 24 hours. Anyways, €5 lang naman siya. Para sa aming dalawa. Kasi libre po si Arya. Yung lugar. And mamaya, i-vlog ko po doon kapag makababa na tayo. So, ang kanilang bus, same lang din sa Germany. No? Tingnan nyo sa harap. Same lang. Pero mas mura. Kaya na din mga building. Kamukha lang talagang. So guys, wala tayong specific na plan, pero punta lang tayo sa city center. Nakakita lang ng city ng Latvia. Zarega. So, dito tayo ngayon. Yung bus natin. Gumagalaw siya. And we go through a river. At dito na po yung city center nila. So, as of now, malapit na tayo sa river. Wait, you can also watch. And go back. Yun na po yung river nila. Papasok na po tayo.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my